doesn't really feel that way when it's at the hands of true love.